Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Double top, first top, second top, and a potential move to come down here if we actually take out the neckline and get rejected in the neckline like this, and that you're looking for a very big move to the downside for Jasmy. So what I'm going to do is go back into the daily, and some people are saying that this is a bear flag and it's time for the bear flag to play out and go down. Now zoom out a little bit and understand that this bear flag is not really in play. It's actually not in play because you got one touch support, second touch support, third here, and this is still a support going on. So there is no bear flag in effect just yet. However, if you try to come down and you take out that stop loss that I'm talking about, and it's actually going to be nearly, let's say 4,127. So if you're coming down to 4,127, I think that's game over for Jasmy. I think you're looking for a very big drop because unfortunately you don't have any other choice than to accept that you got a double top here and you're losing that neckline. You're coming below the neckline, you're going up, you're backtesting the neckline, getting rejected here and go down. It's a different scenario if you do actually make a fake out and then go up and then push to the upside. But can that happen? Can happen. You never know. But the most likely scenario after coming down like this is just going to be to the downside. And this is where the technical target is going to be. A lot of people are trying to long Jasmy. They think that Jasmy has bottomed out. Nobody knows. I cannot say if it bottomed out or not. So some people think that they're going to be placing the stop losses right over here. And that's a very poor stop loss that can also be taken in the future. Jasmy comes down, take the stop loss, goes back up, make a huge double bottom and try to move back up again. But I'm still afraid of the fact that Jasmy was listed on innovation zone by Binance, and CZ is kind of crazy these days. He has been listing some very good project. Do you know they listed Chainlink into the innovation zone as well? Like, what is this guy smoking? I don't know. If you know Chainlink, one of the most amazing project. I mean, if you come to cryptocurrency, there's no way that people don't know about Chainlink. One of the best smart contracts project out there, being listed in an innovation zone by Binance. SHIB was listed in an innovation zone by Binance. It seems like this time all the good projects are listed, and if they threw Jasmy on that list as well, that means Jasmy is not actually bad. It's actually good. If they're listing good projects into the innovation zone and Jasmy made the innovation zone, that seems like Jasmy is actually good because it's making its way up there with the good boys, with the bad boys in this business. Anyways, that's it for this update. Just a quick one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.